Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to learn some greetings in Arabic language. So before start my lesson, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it so that you can get latest videos and lessons. So let's start our lesson. Our first greeting is Sabah al Khair. Sabah al Khair. So if you want to wish someone good morning, you can say Sabah al Khair, and the reply will Sabah al Nur. Sabah al Khair, Sabah al Nur. Our second greeting is Masa al Khair. So if you want to wish someone good evening, you can say Masa al Khair, and he will say Masa al Nur. Masa al Khair, Masa al Nur. Our third, if someone is going to sleep and you want to say him good night, you can say Laylatun Sa'ida. Laylatun Sa'ida. Our next greeting is if you are leaving someone to, and you want to say goodbye, you can say Ma'a salama. Ma'a salama. And if you want to wish someone congratulations, you want to say someone congratulations, you can say Mabruk. Mabruk. And if someone is going to vacation, you can say Ijaza Sa'ida. Ijaza Sa'ida. Ijaza Sa'ida. Now we have some exercise for you. So we have 6 greetings. So let's start from good morning. How will you say good morning in Arabic? Yeah, Sabah al Khair. And how will you say good evening in Arabic? Now, Masa al Khair. Good night. Laylatun Sa'ida. Congratulations. Mabruk. Happy vacation. Ijaza Sa'ida. Goodbye. Ma'a salama. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye bye.